Hi, my name is Fabio Kaiser from Amadeus Acoustics, based in Vienna, Austria in Europe. Now, Amadeus is providing active acoustics, immersive audio and voice lift systems. We provide the basic technology for creating such systems. And what we are presenting here is our brand new ART platform. This is the ART box running the ART Director software, which I'm going to show on the laptop. Here you got the ART Director. It is coming soon. It has multi-channel inputs and an object-oriented approach to immersive sounds, and you can see already objects flying around. Basically it is about creating immersive experiences or immersive sound in theaters and multipurpose halls. Feel free to visit our website at Amadeus-acoustics.com.